Okay, this video is going to be showing you how we are going to do what we did in class today since you weren't here to do it. So you're going to go to your Google Classroom. You'll find this. It's assigned just to you. And you're going to need these two links. We're going to be on iExcel and we're going to be on Desmos. So with iExcel, sign in. And you're going to go to your recommended. So look for the star. And it's going to be this very top one is the one that we're doing. So find the equation of a regression line. And you're going to need this Desmos calculator. You're going to get to use that during your test and everything. So today's lesson, it's pretty much just using the calculator. There's not a whole lot of math that goes with it. So in iExcel, it gives you a table, and it wants you to write the equation there. So I'm going to hit plus. You're always going to add a table first. And then I'm just going to copy the table that it gives me. So it's going to be 91. Your x values are always on the left. Your y values are always on the right. Then 95. Then 97. 97 again. 99. So I'm just copying the table from iExcel exactly into my Desmos calculator. And you get to this also through Google Classroom. Just click on the other link. Then 14, 5, 35, 29, 39. Now from here, I'm going to just write an equation and it will solve it for me. So all you have to write every single time is y1. Then this squiggle, it can't be an equal sign, it has to be the squiggle. Then m x1 plus b. You're typing this in every single time. So it's always going to be y1 squiggle m x1 plus b. Now from this, it's just going to give us the answers. So it gives us this little boxes here. We're just going to take this m and this b value, and we're going to plug them in. So for my b values, for my m value, that's going to go in this first box. So it's going to be, if we look here, it says 3.543. You're going to need to round that to 3 decimal places. So it would be 3.543. Since the decimal after the 3 is a 4, we're going to keep it a 3 and not round up. Now for our b value, that's that last box. We're just going to take this number that's right here, and it's a negative 315. This one only has 3 decimal places, so we just write those, 0.065. You just take that m and the b from Desmos, plug it in here, hit submit. All right, we're going to do one more. So make sure every time you just clear these out completely and start over new. So the first step, you hit the plus button, add a table. Then I'm going to type in the table exactly as we see it on iExcel. So 1.5, 4.6, 5.0, 5.7, 5.9, then 52, 64, 88, 70, 95. Second step, we're going to use that same equation I wrote last time. So y1 squiggle m x1 plus b. And then it gives us the m and the b again. So you can see them right here. The m goes in our first box, like it would in a slope-intercept equation, so 7.63. And then we have an 8, and there's a 3 after it. Since it's a 3, we're going to keep it as an 8 and not round up. Then the b goes in the second box, so it'd be 39.122. And that's your answer. And that's all we did in class today. So work on this iExcel, get up to a 70, and then you're good.